And what is your nickname? Your Max
Tornado and Lego.
And are you afraid of tornadoes? Yes or no? Say no.
No.
I am not.
I am not scared of tornado.
And do you like Legos?
Legos?
Yes, you love Legos. See, you have Legos in your hands. Okay, continue. Tell me, what is a tornado?
A tornado is strong
Wind. Turning
round.
Yeah, around. Turning around. Yes, this is a tornado. And
a tornado comes with strong
winds. Very good. And what can it do?
Can damage house.
Yes, houses. Good job.
I want to talk about my new toy, Lego. There are many Lego
pieces
in my house. Let me introduce my Lego artwork. A
bad guy.
A bad guy can
turn on
the light, and a
wind turbine. Yes. What will happen to the wind turbine?
Will turn.
Yes, it will turn. That's why it's called a wind turbine. And tell me about this guy.
At this man, he is bad guy. He is very old. He has white hair. He
wears.
What
does he wear in his body?
He wears a black jacket.
Yeah, jacket.
Gray.
Yes, gray shirt
and brown
pants. Yeah, brown pants. Good job. Does he have any sword?
He
doesn't.
He doesn't have any sword, but he can fight.
Yeah, he doesn't have any sword, but he can fight. Later on, we will find out. Now tell me about a good guy.
Look at this man. He's a good guy. He is very young. He is
younger
than the bad guy. He
wears how do you say this one? He wears a helmet. Yes, helmet. And what else did he wear? He wears armors
and black
pants. Very good. Black pants.
He has 2 swords. He can fight the bad guy. He is stronger than the bad guy.
Now let's see them fight. What are they doing?
What are they
doing
now? They are fighting. The
good guy
will win.
Why? Because
he has so many things. He to help him win.
Very good. He has many things to help him win.
Thank you for listening.
Yeah, thank you for listening to my story. Good job!